to another episode of the Jarring Science Club. I'm your host, Brenda. Today, we're going to be learning how to make a rainbow with a jar and a flashlight. Let's get to it. Here's what you need. A jar of water, preferably without any words, like a pickle jar will work really well. And a flashlight. Now, you have to be particular about what kind of flashlight that you use, because if you use an LED flashlight like this one, it won't make a rainbow. You've got to have an incandescent bulb in your flashlight. If you don't have a flashlight with an incandescent bulb, you can use the sun or a prism for this experiment. What you do for this experiment is you shine your flashlight through your jar until a rainbow appears over here. I'm going to zoom in close so you can see the light refraction and the light waves separating on the other side of the jar through the water. Here we are nice and close, and here is our light coming through our jar. You can see it going in the jar and coming out over here, or coming in here and coming out on the table. Now the secret is to adjust the angle. The secret for this project is to adjust the angle of your flashlight until the light refracts and separates all the light colors. So instead of just seeing yellow over here, you will see a rainbow. So let's play around until we find it. All right, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but here it is right here. I can see the red, the yellow, the purple, some of the green, and some of the blue. So what you have to do is just adjust the light on your flashlight until you see the colors of the rainbow and those color wavelengths separated from one another. And that is it. That's how you make a rainbow using a jar and a flashlight. Here's the science. Do you know what a rainbow actually is? A rainbow are the colors of the visible UV light spectrum stretched apart and divided into each individual color. All light waves have all of these colors, plus a lot that we can't see. The rainbow colors are the range of colors we can see in light. Visible light travels in waves. Different colors of light actually have different wavelengths, which means that some light colors travel like this in long waves, while other colors travel in much shorter wavelengths. The colors that we can see every day are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. This is how we get the acronym ROY-G-BIV, which just stands for the first level of each of those 7 colors. The order of the rainbow is actually due to the wavelengths of each color of light. Red colors have the longest wavelength, while purple has the shortest. When light shines through water droplets, you'll see a rainbow. That's why you usually see rainbows in the sky after a rainstorm, or in a sprinkler in your yard. Every drop of water is like a prism and it reflects the light. When light enters an object, it comes in at one angle, and then through light refraction, it comes out as another angle. Usually light enters and exits at 90-degree angles. When the light exits, it's bent, and that's when we can see the colors of the rainbow. When you shine a light through your jar, you can make a visible rainbow on a surface. That's because the wavelengths are separated as they travel through the water in the jar. Each color of light refracts at a slightly different angle, which is why you see the colors separated on the other side. That's it for today. See you next time.